Hi, want to know how to enable 8K video resolution on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open camera application on our phone and then switch from photo mode to video mode by clicking on this icon. Then, as a next step, here to switch to 8K, we would need to click on the settings icon on the left bottom corner. And then here on the resolution, instead of Full HD, we would need to switch to this last icon, which has 8K on it. And this is it. Now we got our resolution of 8K, which is Ultra HD, and let's also test it. So I'll try to record a short video of this SIM card that you can see currently on my screen. So let's record it and also zoom it in. And this is it. Now let's take a look on the results, and you can see that this resolution is really cool. You can see all of the details and the video is clear. And this is it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.